And do you know?
Alright, JC.
Do you know what is so sad?
What?
I'm speaking.
Why?
Because I wish it was me. And the lady gave us speech.
Who gave
She was talking about the lady, and she was, I don't know, it was Mrs. Lady.
Imani, what the fuck are you talking about?
Like 20-something. But she was talking about, she was an American. Like, turn it down, I'm speaking, please.
Beyonce.
Oh my goodness, look at the, can I touch it? It's so round. Listen.
Take a sip from the
Listen,
big cup.
listen,
This is
please,
hot.
but later. Wait,
And this
wait,
is
shut up, I need to tell my story about ice skating. So she was talking about this 5-year-old little boy, this 5-year-old little boy, and every day he would get on the donkey.
I'll do right here. 1, 2, 3.
And then he would climb the fucking mountain every morning.
How was this lady?
To chip ice
How was this
to
lady?
sell in the market.
It's a long enough video.
Money.
And this is me.